Everybody, it's 101 Barnyard back with a new video. Actually, it's just a new Zippo video on how to replace your Flint. Alright, my Zippo ran out of Flint, and it has no spacer in there either. So, first of all, I'll just tell you what Zippo this is. This is my Desert Storm, U.S. Army or Navy or something, Special Ops, I don't know. But the bottom stamp you can't see because it was me. All I know is that says F right here, and that is an X, which is 1994. It came with a brass insert. Very weird, but it's same thing. This one was made in January of 1994. This was made in June of 1994. So, let's show you this, and then that, insert. Now I have my trusty old Tornox Officer Seuss, I'm going to call it Seuss. I don't know if that's true or not, so I'm just using the flathead screwdriver bottle opener, whatever you want to call it, to open this. The Flint screw, Flint spring, and I have a used Flint, so I'm just going to finish that up before I use the others. Put this back in here. Screw it on. Easy as that. It's dark out. It's like, I think it's like 12 o'clock or something. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? I don't know. Whatever. Works now. There's no fluid in there, so I'm going to save that for a new video. Anyway, so there you go. That's how to replace your Zippo Flint. Hope it helped. If it did, thumbs up this video. If it didn't, don't do anything. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and rate. And new Zippo video coming out later tonight or tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.